In this video I'm going to show you how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok app, and now in order to block someone, all you have to do is first open up that person's profile. So I just hit here at profile picture to open up that person's profile, and now here to be able to block that person, all I have to do is hit there a three dots icon and there tap at block. There it asks me if I really want to block that person, and if I hit block, now that person has been blocked, and from now I wouldn't be able to see that person's content, and that person wouldn't be able to see my content as well. And in the same way you can block any person all over the TikTok. But if you want to unblock someone, let me show you how you can simply do that. Just hit at profile icon, then hit at menu icon, there select settings and privacy, here tap at privacy, and there scroll all the way down until you find blocked accounts. There will be the list of all your blocked accounts, and there you can unblock them just by tapping here at unblock button. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.